Guys, we've got ProMods plus Latvia Rebuild version 1.43 plus Russian RC 1.53 version 1.0.
Can't you see the mess you're making with your poor decision? Promises are made then broken, false assurance given. You want to stay, not walk away. Cliched give way in disarray. Future vision based in fear can only be divisive. Claim to lead, yet just concede and leave us all in crisis. Walk away, having no more to say. Today, don't stay in disarray. Can't be strong when fighting for something you never wanted.
If you found my video helpful, leave a message or like, so you don't miss any more mod news. Subscribe. Hey guys, see you next time.